So I posted a video on the wind, just how windy it's been with this windstorm supposedly that we're going through. We've been going, this wind thing actually started on Monday early in the morning. Here it is almost Tuesday, and it's still just as bad. In fact, when I opened the front door, it just blew the door right open, and you can see tree limbs on the ground, which is to be expected. Fortunately for this windstorm, if you could say it, because we had that fucking deer. Those deer. Because we had that ice storm last year, the power company went through and trimmed a lot of the trees back away from the power lines. So we haven't had any flicker in the power yet, although that's still possible. You know, a weak tree can always fall over on a power line. It's less likely since they've done all this trimming. But man, I can feel it in the steering. I mean, I'm serious. I don't know if you guys can see this while I'm steering, but you know, my car is going all over the place because of the wind. It's really bad. This is the worst that I've seen the wind in a long time. Yeah, I mean, it just feels like my car wants to just steer off into another direction. And more deer. The deer are everywhere. I mean, they are everywhere. This is crazy. You know, I'm not all about elimination, but I'm certainly about population control. I mean, after all, you know, us being at the top of the food chain, we hunt animals and things like that, and I know that not everybody agrees with that, but that's how we came to be today, is through hunting. There's more deer there on the right. Oh, there's one standing there on the left. But the population has actually got kind of out of control, to the point where our township actually set up a special permit. It was a lottery, actually. A lottery for a limited number of hunting licenses inside the township, which is unusual, simply because there's no hunting allowed within the township borders unless you own, I don't know, I think it's like 10 plus acres. I don't remember the rule, but needless to say, you have to be outside of the township, just because 90% of the township is road, city, neighborhoods. You know, we don't have much. I mean, we do have some reserves, but they're off limits for hunting.